Yo, good morning, beautiful people. Welcome in day 3 of these Tradeify 50K accounts. We took out 5K payout Monday. Yesterday, we had 4 of them separate. So we had 4 hit DLL, and then I had 1 trade hit 130-point trade for a $600 trade, eligible for another payout. So we took 1,000 out of that account last night, and now we're back trying to see if we can get the other accounts caught back up. And then hopefully just hit $400 on that last account, get another payout. But let's see how we can do. Sending off this link. I'm in there. Good morning, work. First and early like always. Means the most, King. Thank you. Matrix, how you doing, King? Welcome in. Happy Wednesday, family. Halfway through the week. Let's see what we can do here. I'm going to trade the other accounts. We only need $400. Took a 4K payout yesterday. Yeah, you did, King. Let's fucking go, Matrix. Well deserved. I'm so happy for you, King. That's amazing. Dave, good morning, King. Welcome in. Happy to have you here on this fine Wednesday. NASDAQ did end up breaking out of the hourly trend that we observed yesterday. We found some continuation and push right back in the range. Now we're just kind of going sideways. Yesterday was gross price action, guys. Wow. Be grateful we made it out of that mess. Testing in a previous day high right now. Finding some support at the VWAP. See what happens here. Longs could definitely get excited. Hourly chart looks like we're just tapping into this previous day high. Finding some wicks. Finding some wicks. Let's see what happens. Morning, let's get it. Diego, welcome in, King. Happy to have you, brother. Let's see what we can do today. We need $400 on one of our accounts. This one here, the 26. 26. And then we need, obviously, the $2,000. $2,000 in our other accounts. Yo, I was thinking about this too, guys. Good morning, King. How has it been going for you? Good morning, newbie. Welcome in, Queen. Super happy to have you here on this Wednesday. Been doing really good. Yesterday we took a $1,000 payout. Monday we took a 5K payout. Yesterday should have been such a good day again. I took a 130-point trade to end the day, but it didn't. It only was on one account, which gave us the 1K payout. But man, I wanted that on the other 4. So today we have to try to do some redemption. We have 4 accounts here with $1,000 in drawdown. Try to get them caught back up, and then we have this one account down here, the 26 account. This one here. That just needs $400, and we can request a payout out of that. So good morning, Mad Max. Welcome in, King. Happy to have you. Happy Wednesday, the best of the Wednesdays. Let's get that account off. These are the 4 following. Just make sure 26 is out. 5026 is out, because that is our winner at the moment. Perfect. Satomi, hi, sir. Good morning, King. Happy Wednesday. Hope you're feeling great. Hope the markets are going to respect us today. Is that all we're out seeking? That's really good. Paid for the accounts, so the rest is free money. That's it, Queen. Paid for the accounts. The rest is free money. Great mindset. Want to see if we can find some... kind of expecting a little bit of a rotation to the downside here, to be honest with you guys. And then maybe we find some support at like the 300s. It's kind of what I'm thinking. Kind of want to find some selling, and then I think we find some longer term support around the 300s in the NASDAQ. But for now, I want to find us selling into that, kinda. Previous day high is right here, getting stuck below it already. Could be interesting if we fail to auction through there. Lots of wicks forming above the VWAP right now. Don't force anything, but I do kind of like this to give us a chance to hold lower. See what happens at the VWAP. Let's see what type of trouble we can get into. I looked at Tradeify, and I'll go for 550Ks on the daily payouts. Thank you for the help yesterday. I looked at Tradeify, and I'll go for 550Ks on the daily. Let's go, Satomi. I think that's the best fucking deal out there, King. Use code TFF, brother, and you'll get the cheapest pricing. But I'm telling you, Tradeify is one of the best right now. These select accounts, the daily payouts is different than anything else I've seen in the prop space. definitely recommend it, man. And if you do go for it, baby, at TFF, use that code at checkout. Tyler, it would be better if you could zoom into your Tradeify for the stream. Better visual. If I zoomed into Tradeify like that, get closer for you. I can imagine that, Dave. I like to, you know, try to get price. I want to see price is what I want to see. But I can understand making it more visual for y'all, but I want to first make sure I can at least target what I want to target. This pullback into previous day high would have been a beautiful spot to find a short. Right now, sellers are stepping in a little bit. Like I said, I'm expecting maybe a pull down in towards the 300s and then maybe finding some support there. We'll see. Lots of wicks up and around the VWAP. Buyers looking to be in a little bit trouble at the moment. Looking to be in a little bit of trouble at the moment. Gonna be patient, but I'm liking shorts right now. I'll be in evals again when I come back in January. Lost 30 funded accounts. Only have Top Step left. Laugh my ass off. Newbie. Damn, queen. 30 XFAs or fundeds. Wild. But hey, that's a privilege to even be in that position. So good on you. And when you come back, it's gonna be a crazy comeback time. Sellers are showing themselves. Here come the 360s. I wanted it to give us a chance to join them, but it looks like the sellers are just going to take this thing right down where they wanted it to be. Here we go into the 350s. Getting close to this gray line. Gray line is going to be our daily print. So above is bullish, below bearish, starting to flip over on the daily candle. Pretty big reaction from this buyer, from the sellers here already. Let's be patient, but I do think the sellers are stepping in. Here comes another 330s. Tapping into that daily wick price. I'll be in evals again. Morning, fam. Let's make some money. Let's go, TLR. Good morning, King. Happy Wednesday, sir. Love the energy. Let's get that paycheck. Forgot I had to trade a minimum trade each week, but it's cool. My bad. No way. That's how you lost those accounts, Queen? Because you just took a little hiatus, a little break. Wow. That is shocking to me, actually. Touching into that daily price there. Finding a little bit of a reaction from the longs. Personally, still think we could go see a little bit lower, maybe towards like the 300s. But that was a nice little reaction from the sellers to get us down in below the VWAP. Really good amount of selling volume there as well. So, going to be careful, cautious, and chill. We need $400 on our other accounts, and we need a majority on these. We need 2 big old sticks to get the payout. Obviously, don't have to do it in one day. We're going to see what we can do, though. Get everything right. Good morning. Woo! Come on. Only way to do it is to do it well. NASDAQ, finding some selling. Dojing at the bottom here. Really good amount of selling volume for us to not be able to continuation. I mean, we could push back up towards the VWAP. This is that daily opening print, that gray line. So below it is going to start printing bearish. Let's look at the daily chart real quick to get an idea. See how we're starting to doji here. I could imagine us holding though. I really could. Feels like we could push up from here. So let's just see what type of things they want to give us. I think we could see like a 300 tap before the longs, but we'll see. W day tie, max payout again for you, brother. Love the energy work. Let's see what happens, King. See what type of trouble we can find. Yeah, I don't trade December, so I'll have to keep that in mind for props next year. Took off December and was punished for it. I can't believe that, newbie. Not deserved at all. But, hey, I guess trader, I didn't know that you have to be incredibly active. Trading every day or once a month is what the threshold was, but sorry to hear it though. That's super unfortunate. It really is. Not deserved. You guys, you pass all their rules, you do all these things to get funded, and then they just like, oh yeah, you didn't trade with it, so we're gonna have to close your account. It's like, what the fuck? Here come the sellers, still trying to hold towards the bottom. Buyers trying to defend this daily wick price. Just swept below. Just swept below there, found some buyers. Let's be patient, family. Market's only been open for 9 minutes. I got to sneeze. Talk that sneeze right out of existence there. Woo. Yo, there's already 20 incredible people hanging out, watching. Thank you so much for being here, family. If you haven't yet, show some love. Hit that like button. If you haven't, join this conversation. Just a question with Tradeify. Once I do a payout of 1K, let's say you were from 50 to 52, you do a 1K payout, then you have to do 1K minimum, and one more time, another 1K to do possible 1K payout. Wait a minute. With Tradeify, once I do a payout of 1K, let's say you went from 50,000 to 52 bets, you take a 1K payout, then you have 1K left minimum, and then one more time, another 1K to pass to possible do 1K payout. No, Satomi. So you can only take a payout above 52.1. So they have it's called they have a threshold in the account. So you can only take a payout above 2,100. That's why we were looking for 3,100. 3,100, then we could take our $1,000 payout, which is the max for the accounts, and that pushes us back to that buffer at 2,100. And then from there, you can just keep rinsing the accounts and getting the $1,000 from there as long as you're staying over that buffer. So if you did that 50 to 52, you still wouldn't be eligible for a payout. If you got another 1,000, then you'd be eligible for a payout, and you'd be above that buffer, and then you would need to just keep making 1,000 and taking 1,000. It's once a week, but I took payouts for most of them anyway, so it doesn't sitting that bad. That's great, newbie. Really great trader. Took payouts from most of her accounts. I love it. Be careful with that because they absolutely cancel your account after that week of inactivity. Crazy. Come on, guys. Let's get that 20 likes again. We can for sure do it again. Let's go, work. Love the energy, King. We crushed yesterday's like goal, family. It means so much. Today, we already got 20 incredible people hanging out. If everybody likes it, we'll be right to our goal. So the buffer is 53 for a payout, but the technical buffer that you have to be above for a payout is 2,100. So for 53 is max payout, right? Because you can only take out 1,000. So 53 is max payout, but 52, technically 52,100 is the buffer. Anything above that. So say I'm at 52.7, I can take out that $600. If I'm at 53.1, I can take out the 1,000. Anything above the 2,100, they won't let you go below 2,100 unless you trade below it. Already liked it twice for ties incoming max payout today. Let's go, newbie. What a queen. What a queen right there. She's feeling like we're going to find some luck on these charts. I'm loving the energy. Let's see what we can do. We need 2K out of our other 4 accounts, and then the 1K, we need $400 in that one account for another 1,000. So I'm hoping to at least get another $1,000 today, hit that $400 for the one account. But more importantly, would be getting these ones caught back up, getting them to that 53, hitting a banger trade. And yeah, that just means we're going to have to be patient here. Let's get our box drawn up. Getting closer and closer. I'll give it another minute. We're not quite there yet. Not quite there yet. Put trade mode on. We're officially trading. We're officially trading. I've been liking that trade mode feature. It gets a little bit of anxiety reducing. Good morning, Pat. Welcome in, King. Super happy to have you, brother. You said you didn't have any accounts to trade, but if you're here just hanging out, showing vibes, you're the man. And if you do find some accounts to trade, well, good luck, King. NASDAQ pushing below the daily print candle, so we're starting to doji a little bit. Let's go back and take a peek at it for y'all's reference. See how we're dojing at this gray line. This is going to decide where we want to go from here. We found a nice push up, but still sellers looking like they're in control right now. Let's see what happens. Really decent selling volume candle off that print. In towards these 300s, I kind of expect longs to get excited down here, but they haven't shown up yet. Low a day is down another 30 points from here. Thanks, 1 TBT eval. Let's go. Take profit, trader. Then you know what to do, King. Take profit, trader. Good morning, Amin. Welcome in. Happy to have you back, King. Happy Wednesday. Hope the mindset's correct. Our 15-minute range is now in. Let's get our box drawn up so we can get aligned. Opening print candle is pretty ugly. So let's go get fined. Boom, boom, boom. Here's our 15-minute range. NASDAQ holding out at the bottom of it at the moment. Looking fairly weak, stuck below the EMA. We're at these 300s where I was expecting to find potential buyers. So I want to see the reaction around these threes. And if we don't find more buying, then I'm going to look for low a day, maybe back into the trend. Who knows? There's already 26 incredible people hanging out right now, family. Thank you for spending the morning. Show some love to the like button if you haven't. Easiest way to support the stream. NASDAQ never pushing to the bottom of the 15 right there. Finding some support back into the EMA. Interesting, interesting. I think sellers are still in control right now, family. I really do. But let's find out. Hourly chart's looking pretty aggressive to the downside. First 15 minutes are in. Not going to force anything yet. Bump, 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 bump. Do you use order flow sometimes? Satomi, I haven't used that order flow a lot, to be honest with you. I have more like price action and just supply and demand levels. I try to keep it super simple, but I know a couple people do like order flow, and it's just one of those things. Whatever you find value in, whatever helps you get a better, clearer picture of what's going on. Definitely not a bad thing. Definitely not the answer end all be all either. Sellers showing themselves again, pushing us through the bottom of the 15-minute range, getting us really close to low a day here. Getting us very close to low a day here. Here comes overnight low, just getting swept right there. Overnight low coming in. Sellers still looking pretty strong. These 300s were kind of where I thought we could find some buying. These 270s, so I don't know. That's a pretty crazy looking candle right there. It's a 50-point selling candle. Wild. Gross. One of the biggest volume candles we've seen of the day. Biggest selling volume candle one we just saw right there, family. Let's see the reaction now. Kind of want to buy this candle, to be completely transparent with you guys. Depending on how this candle closes, I might buy this price. Definitely a little bit scary. Top stack acting up again. Can't close my order. No way. Short from the 28s. Pat, great entry, King. Insanely good entry at the bottom of the 15-minute range there. Would it get in below the EMA? I bet you miss entries sometimes looking at the chat. I don't know how you do it. I'm super focused when I'm trading. It happens sometimes. Sometimes I miss you. Sometimes I miss the chats, though. Come looking at the charts. You know what I mean? Try to do both. It's just something I enjoy, though. I appreciate you guys for being here, newbie. That's why. Top Step just asked for real. Wow. It's crazy work. They've been really going through it. They've really been going through it. People are not happy with it. Crazy work out of them in general. Limiting everybody to force to use your prop firm and then being unable to, like, provide decent things is wild. Just wild. I'm going to buy right here, family. Going to have a quick stop. Oh, shit. I don't need 4. I only need 4. And I meant to get in already, sadly. Let's just wait for a second. This big selling volume is the reason I'm looking to get into this position.
Order filled.
Just got tapped in now. Going to have our stops below low a day here. Could easily come and get us immediately. Sell 4 stops. Gonna be out below low a day. I just wanted to see if we could find a reaction here. Risking 20 points, risking $400 out of our 1,000. Seeing if we can get a little push. Buying the biggest sell volume candle of the day because the buyers may try to hold it. Want to see if we can find any love here from them. Right now, sellers are clearly in control though, so. Boom, nice little push. Gonna be enough for a break even now. No need to get crazy. Let's see if we can get this thing to move up for us here. Beautiful reaction back into the zone. Incredible move from the buyers. We need another 50 points from there, so we need 58 potentially. Let's go sell 4 limit. Yeah. Buyers try to push back in the 15-minute range, getting rejected slightly at the EMA there. Gonna continue to hold our position. I want to see if we can find the continuation and push us back up into those 58s. 58s would be Valhalla for us. Come on, longs. Hold this price. Get excited. We had to claim the 15-minute range confidently here. Want to see us claim this 15-minute range confidently? Come on, buyers. Hold that. Beautiful push. Show me some more excitement. Get us up and around those 30s. Got to break back into this 15 confidently. Want to see us maintaining this EMA push. Get up there, Nazi. Come on, Queen. Pop those stops. Go take out that daily price. We have a break even, so we shouldn't be really too worried about it, but it's nice to be up 1,000. Kind of tempted to take the 50 points that we were just given there, but also want to trust the charts to maybe deliver the rest. Kind of in a tricky spot right now, family. We're up 1,000, getting these things back to a decent spot. Feels dangerous to continue to ride, but defending the bottom of the 15-minute range is not what I wanted to see here. I wanted some explosion through there. Could easily come back to our break even at any moment. Come on, buyers. Defend this 15-minute bottom. Get hungry down here. We could easily push up. If we do, I really like our take profit spot. Just got to find some love from these longs. Got to see if they really want to defend this EMA or not. Sellers are stepping in at a battle spot. Come on. Give us some love here. Come on, longs. Hold this bottom. If we can hold the bottom of the 15-minute range, we should be able to pop through this flat price at the 30s. If we can clear the 30s, next stop should be the 50s maybe. Show me some buying right now. Big buying. No more wicks. You cannot keep wicking this top like this. Got to find the buyers closing through here. Come on. Show me some buying candles. Defending this EMA. Defending the bottom of the 15-minute range. Want to see this thing press right up now. Got to get excited. Need to get excited, Tori. Get through these 30s. Through the 30s, we should see this doji come. Get through this 30 flat price, please, Nazi. Get up there, Queen. Hate these wicks at the bottom of the 15-minute range. This is awful to see. Looking for continuation. Whoa. Y'all just saw my charts refresh there. What was that? Come on, longs. Give us something here. Look at us dojing. Bottom of the 15-minute range. If we push through these 30s, family, it looks pretty good for us. Or these 15s. We got to get through this flat price at the 20s. Right now, the bottom of the 15-minute range is wildly being defended by these shorts, though. Not loving it. Not loving the failure to continue. All my accounts, and I'm done for the month PA so bad. It has been bad work. Have a great day, guys. Drop the likes. Been trying the 20s. I'm done. Pat's already out of here. Good morning. Or take it easy, King. We both buying Ty. About a full TP on that Dow. Let's go work. Trying to find some longs. Right now, struggling to find any continuation through the 15-minute bottom. Might make me just want to close this trade. It feels like shit. Kind of want to close it. Kind of want to be patient. Feeling really indecisive right now. Fuck. I'm going to get stuck holding it. Buyers just not wanting to bring this thing higher. Sellers being stagnant. Gross. Looks like we're going to go push through the bottom of the 15-minute range again. Man, I feel like at any moment these longs are going to come in and try to do the thing. Or they're going to do it without us, though. Thanks for being here, though, Pat. Enjoy your day, King. Tyler, I just passed my Lucid 50K on that long. Took 2 NQs. Let's go, Dave. Great trading, King. Glad you could grab a piece of it, too. Looking to see if we could find some continuation through here. But god damn it, sellers. Looking strong. Bottom of the 15-minute range being defended aggressively. Unable to move up whatsoever here. Bummer to be up 50 points and not be able to find any continuation there at all. Come on, longs. We get it. We understand. I don't believe the shorts here. I'm not seeing what I need to see out of the longs. Jesus Christ.
Stop filled.
Now you're going to go all the way fucking back up now. God, trading's so annoying sometimes. Must Christmas time. Realistically, it's just this time of week, maybe next Monday. Top Step crash 2 days in a row. Insane, Neon. Sorry to hear it. I'm probably done for the month too. Work not by choice, but by crap step not working. Bottom step, L step. Sad to hear, sobs. Welcome in though, King. For real, Dave, I only hate taking 3 trades this month with only 1 loss. Unfucking real, guy. Are you fucking serious, NASDAQ? God. You can't make this shit up sometimes, man. Fucking move, price. Jesus. Unfucking real.
Order filled.
I'm buying this bottom again, family. I'm in this price all over again. Really wanting to see this try for us here. Should have already been in this trade. God, that's so frustrating. Should have already been in this fucking trade. You got bottom ticked perfectly like it's a joke or something. Get up through this flat price, NASDAQ. Get up through there. God, we should be in this such a beautiful position. Break even's going back on, family. Got to be smart. Just irritated. Fucking God, we have a beautiful position, a beautiful trade, and get bottom ticked out of it. And now we're going to come back and decide it doesn't want to move. Please, just extend through that price, Nasdaq. Dang. Flatness. Flatness here at the 20s being an obstacle. Obvious next obstacle is going to be that daily spot. I cannot believe we got bottom ticked out of that, guys. It's so triggering. So triggering. Where do we look for? There's another $1,000 on that account, on those trades. If we would have just taken our 1,000 both times, we'd be done. If I didn't get bottom ticked, I'd be done. Fucking insane sometimes. Give me a strong closure up through here, Nazi. I want to target VWAP. Sell 4 limit. Sell 4 limit at the 56s. Get up there, Queen. So upset that we would just about be full TP'd right now. Just about be full TP'd right now, but no. Looking for the 56s. I'm going to go ahead and close it right there, family. I can't let myself do that again. We're up 1,000 on these accounts. 1,000 away. If we would have just taken our other one, we'd be done on that. It's okay. King, be better than stop loss. It was better than a stop loss, but are you fucking kidding me? A perfect bottom tick that stopped us from another 62 to 30 to 89. So that was another 30 points, 37 points we missed out on because of the bottom tick. She's a runner. She's a track star. Let's go, Corey. Welcome in, King. Happy to have you back, Corey. For real, Dave, I only taken 3 trades. It's okay, King. We're activated boys and girls, but missed this trade. Full TP on the Dow. Sometimes it's better to be on the money pocket than let it be the home run. You right, Satomi. Can't complain, guys. Got these accounts back to 52. Okay, okay. We're $1,000 away now from another payout out of those. And we still need the one account to go ahead and hit for that one for us to be back. So, let's see what we can do here. I like most longs in around these 300s. You taking out the account that only needs 400. You taking out the account that only needs 400. I haven't actually put that in yet, Queen. So they're separated. So where's that one? 26. 26. Where you at? 26. Yeah, this one only needs 400 bucks. Haven't taken any trades. They're already separated. That's why you see this one. Excuse me, this one here. Volume feels like it's starting to pick up a little bit. Here comes that daily print price. That gray line is the doji in the sand. Here come the sellers back at the EMA. This kind of feels like a nice bear flag. Nice and simple and clean. But I kind of want to see us try to hold this long as well. Even though we're giving up that big spot. Let's be patient here. Only need $400 in this one account. 20 points. Kind of want to buy these 300s, but it feels scary. Kind of want to buy the 300s, but it feels like we could get a little lower. We'll see what the actual reaction at the bottom of the 15-minute range down here. The fact that we're back inside of this range is not ideal, to be honest. W Daytime, keep going, brother. Appreciate you so much, work. Love the energy. And from the payout, you get 80%, 20% profit split. I think it's the 9-1, Satomi. So it's a 90-10. Be careful, sellers stepping in. Yeah, the sellers are stepping in. This is why I'm really glad we took $1,000 off where we did, family. Or otherwise, we'd be back in the same pain cave. Good morning, Jay. Welcoming, sir. Happy to have you. Happy Wednesday. Hope you're feeling good. Hope the charts are treating you well right now. Sellers defending the bottom of the 15-minute range, being a little strong. Back at the 300s where I was interested in finding some longs before, but don't know if I can poke at it right now. I've been telling you, Ty, do your own capital. I don't know, work. We get to trade with their money right now, King. You know what I'm saying? Kind of nice trading their money right now. It's the best feeling to get 100%. I bet it is, though. I bet it is. I'm going to try a buy down here. Could go against us. Buy one limit. Buying the 77s. Looking for a little reaction off of it. We'll see if we can find any love. Right now, sellers are showing a little bit of control, but I'm trying this spot down here. Trying to see if we can find a long at the 77s. Buyers trying to claim the bottom of the 15-minute range. Sellers defending it. Getting intrastante. Oh, look, what do you know? It wasn't the 77s, family. It turns out it was the 84s. Okay. Okay. Let's see the reaction here. You can see what we're looking at. You can see what I'm kind of hunting. Need 3 more days before I can take another payout. Then YOLO, the last bit of a chance. A balance of the shitty prop and move on. I like that. So I'll just get out of trade. Get out of that bottom step. Come over to the goats. Really nice reaction here back at the trend line. Do we continue to hold? Do we continue to push? Don't know. I think longs are going to be pretty strong here, to be honest with you. If we can break through this trend line. We need 400 in these accounts, and we need 1,000 in our other accounts, and we can take a max payout today. I'm not trying to force anything, but that's what we're looking at. Market's only been open for 34 minutes. Make sure you guys are protecting your accounts. we now technically have $2,000 that we can lose today to try to make that 1,000. I'm not saying that's what I'm going to do, but I'm saying I have more drawdown available. Top Step still down. My long position from 260. Damn, Matrix. Sorry to hear it, King. Yeah, well, really, it's Project X that's fucking them. It is. It is. They got greedy. They wanted to have it all. Can y'all hear me? How goofy was that? Appreciate you for letting me know, subs. Not copying that one account on the top. No, I'm not copying this one account. It's just separated, Max. So the other 4 accounts are at 52,000. This one's 700 higher at 52,007. So I just need $400 on this one account to get a payout for another 1,000. So I'm just kind of looking for that, and then I'm gonna take the other 4, try to get them caught back up with the $1,000, and then we'll be everybody on the same track if we can. We'll see. Top Step doesn't own Project X. MP said they created it back when it was called Top Step X. Okay. I was like, who is Ty talking to? Gotcha. Sounds good. Thanks, Max. King Noah, what up, King? Welcome in. Happy to have you, brother. Happy Wednesday. Yo, there's already 23 incredible people hanging out, spending the morning. Thank you guys for being a part of this community. If you haven't shown any love, hit the like button. Easiest way to support the stream. And if you're not joining this conversation, what are you doing? I'm up 700. Let's go, King Noah. Let's fucking go, brother. Fucking crazy. Well deserved. 5 more likes, and there's 22 people in here. I know y'all can do it. Our goal is 20. Like that like button. Let's go, Noah. Absolutely love the energy, King. Yo, we've made a couple thousand. Okay, we need $1,000 to get a payout. Very achievable. And we need $400 to get a payout. Okay, we're in a very good spot. Let's not get too crazy. Starting to leave my favorite time to take a trade, which means we might just be sitting on our hands for the next 30 minutes or so until the markets start being a little bit more attractive. Right now, this is not pretty price action. Us consolidating at the lows here is pretty caca. Little caca. So we'll see what we can do. See what type of trouble we can get ourselves into. So let's go to this other account. Let's make sure our dates, these are all on. 52.8. Yep, we need exactly $1,000, 1,000 bones to get that payout, to get those accounts back. W King for sure. We're at good energy. I need 2 more 150 days. Easy, easy. I'm gonna update this trend a little bit, and this one I'm gonna remove. The way that we're failing to break down makes me think we're going to break up, but we'll see what happens here, family. We're at a weird price. We're at a strange price. I'm not trying to force anything. Starting to break through this potential bear flag. Could look for some continuation off it. We'll see. Still like longs down here quite a bit. These 300s, I think, could be a very much a launch pad. I think these 300s could be a launch pad. If we can't close above the 345s on the 15-minute candle, buyers are not strong and sellers will show the up. That's what I think. I like that analysis, Amy. If the buyers can't close above the 45s, which is this flat price up here, also the daily print close. Sellers clearly going to be in control below this gray line. Gray line is the opening print price of the daily candle. So anything above, we're printing bullish. Anything below, we're printing bearish. Here comes some volatility. Kind of want to poke along down here again. You never know, but it's kind of what I'm looking for. You never know, but you don't know. Some good gaps above us I think we could draw to. I like that. That's what I want to go see, Noah. I'm personally looking a little bit long, but we'll see. I'm personally thinking longs, but we'll take a gander here. We just need 50 more points. We already made 2 1,000-point trades and only closed on one of them. So if we would have just taken that first one, not 1,000 points, holy shit, $1,000, 1,000 points would have been crazy. Some good gaps. Top Step is back on. Now I'm scared to go in a trade. Deep breaths and hope, I guess, Matrix. Understandable. That's some scary shit. That is some scary shit, son. I like longs here, family, quite a bit. I just want to find a price that it makes sense at. And honestly, it is pretty much these 300s, 290s. I'm going to buy the 290s. Have an order at the 290s for some longs. Definitely scary. Looking for 50 points if we can find it. Not going to risk much on it. Going to come have our stops below probably like the 70s. We're in. Let's see some longs. Get excited for us here. Let's go to buy, sell 4 stops. Stop loss is going to be in. I'm going to give ourselves a little bit of room just because I can't mentally, emotionally handle getting wicked out or anything crazy. Push us back up in there, Nazi. I think the longs could get excited here any moment. Sell 4 limit. If we get our TP, it'd be up there at the 39s. I'm going to adjust the stop a little bit more. Just don't want to get front ran. You guys know my unluckiness. Come on, longs. I believe in you here. Want to see the longs defend this price. It looks decent at the 300s. If we can reclaim the 3s, it looks really good. Get excited, Tori, through there. We got to reclaim this EMA. We got to really go claim that V back in this trend line. Lots of selling, though. Lots of wicks. Not really ideal to see that. At any point, I'm expecting some excitement, but we're not seeing it. Sellers clearly in control, defending this 15-minute bottom. That was a nice wick there. Didn't want to see that. Wanted to see a nice closure. Come on, longs. One time. Get up through there. Beautiful. Get up through there now. Reclaim the EMA. I'm going to put our break even on now, family. We only need a couple more pushes from here. Can we get there? Reclaim that. Reclaiming the EMA. Break even's on. I'm going to make sure it's a little bit tighter just so I don't get fucking pain. Come on, NASDAQ. Go treat us good. Get up through this flat price. If we can get through these 20s, we look pretty strong. Through these 20s, it's going to look pretty strong. We really need those 39s. 39 would be our full TP. We'd be past. We have another fucking pretty much max payout if the 39s can fire. It's going to be scary trying to look through these 32s, though. Not going to lie. Beautiful move. Can we get a little bit more out of it? Right here at this flatness makes me want to consider closing. Gotta try to break through this trend right now. Get up through there, Nazi. Get up through there.
Order filled.
Closed it right there, family. Could definitely look for the rest, but I got nervous. I don't know. I don't like the fact that we're tapping into the bottom of this trend line at a flat price. We could easily find another reaction there. We need $400, family. Need $400 on all the accounts now, actually. Holy shit. So they're all just about caught up, actually. So I might just put them back in the old group chat now. Our one account that deviated is the 26 account. Let's go take a peek at that. 26 account is 762. The other ones are at 670, 762. So we're about $100 difference. Not my favorite, but not the worst. I'm going to put them together now, I think. Let's go to manage groups. Bring this guy back in. Hit save. Hit OK. This guy's back in the group now. And just about everybody's in the same spot. Beautiful exit there as well. I didn't love having to exit there. I wanted to look for the rest, but we got a nice closure. All right, family. W's. Let's go, newbie. Love the energy. Corey, appreciate the energy work as always. Aiming. Y'all the best. The support is unreal. So it's meant to be. Pretty sure you can take anything over 250 daily. Up to 1K. Let's go, Ty. Max payout inbound. Let's go, newbie. One more. We need one more good trade. Big week, King. Big week. One more good trade. We need a $400 trade across these accounts, and then we're at that max payout. It'll even itself out when you take the payout. Guys, don't trade here. Wait for an area that is higher confidence. Yeah, I'm going to be patient now. I really did like the longs down here to see if we could find the push. They got stubborn. They got stalled out. Ty, now good for exits, LOL. Not like always. Wiki, then go, huh? Sometimes she wicks me, then goes. That's why I was trying to give myself a little bit of room there and down here, aiming, because you know I hate that. 3 more likes for that 20 as well. What a great day, brother. Let's go work. 17 incredible likes. Yo, there's 25 people watching, guys. If you haven't, show some love. Let's hit that like button. We're crushing the markets right now. Show some love. We need $400 trade, and we can get another max $5,000 payout out of these accounts. Come on. Let's have a day. Come on. Right now, also, hypothetically, we could take a payout. We could take a payout right now of like what is it? Yeah, $500 times 5. So $2,500. Crazy that only $400 doubles that payout. It's weird. Let's be patient, though, because I've been taking good trades, so everything's following now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What a cool opportunity. Three longs today, guys. I bought 3 different longs today. All found a decent little push, but still none of them have had any continuation. Sellers clearly being in control. Back below the 15-minute range bottom now. Stuck below the EMA. Back at our original long fill. Have a feeling this could hold as well here, but I'm not sure. Could easily hold this price too, but I don't know. Could try it again. This is the same range play. It's not my favorite. ATR is at 25, so about 25 points of risk. This thing is starting to roll over quite a bit. Looks a little weaker than it was. Gonna be patient, guys. We're at a weird spot. Officially going to be a little bit more patient. We still have, market's only been open for 50 minutes now. Let's be cautious, calm, patient. Find a little opportunity for 20 points. Lock out a max payout. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking get it, let go. This spot is offering another opportunity to buy. I don't have the gonads for it. You know what I'm saying? It's giving us another opportunity down here at the same bottom that we bought twice at. Just don't sure if I can do it. W20 likes, let's go. Work. That's because of the energy, King. I love it. Appreciate you guys so much. Still not close above 345. Then buyers lose their control. I know. I was looking to see a nice push from there, Amy. That's why I had to close at the top there. I'm done for the day. Went from green to red. Just waiting top step to remove all the losses. I hope they do. I hope they do, Matrix, because I cannot believe that they're down again. W's to you, King. I appreciate it. W's to you as well, sir. Sorry that you trading with a shitty prop firm. Come over to Tradeify. These guys are cool. They'll take care of you. Like I said, it was another opportunity to find a buy. You could have your break even on soon and just be riding cautious, careful, calm, but I didn't take it. Just a quick hello to like the stream. Danny, you're the queen. Everybody say thank you and hi to Danny. Hope you're doing great. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Danny. Hey. Hope your day is going incredible, queen. That's the plan, King. Once I blew all these XFAs, Tradeify is on my list. I like it. I like that. Tradeify top right now, in my true, honest opinion, guys. We got a queen in here getting a little bit wiser. Let's go. Happy for you, Danny. Hope the day's going great. Oh, play that song, Ty. We all about to sing it for Danny. I can't. I'll get a copyright strike, but I'm singing it for you. Cannot believe buyers are still defending. We're absolutely chopping right now, family. Protect yourselves, protect your accounts. Ooh. Like I said, that was another spot that we could find a long at, and it's looking to try to play out again here. Buyers pushing back inside of the 15-minute bottom. Let's be seeing what happens. Looking a little bit round down here. Can't go without saying hi. I'm glad you did, Queen. But getting off now. Hope everyone is green and see you tomorrow. Absolutely. See you tomorrow, Queen. Thank you for being here. Thanks for stopping in. Enjoy the rest of your day. And we'll be here tomorrow. Keep the fun rolling. Come on. 5 minutes still bearish. Below the 90 EMA. I appreciate that, Dave. We are looking bearish still, but the longs are looking like they want to hold. So just keep that in mind. Pushing up into the 320s now. Really strong push. Here come the longs. Like I said, family, that could have been the price. It could have been at any moment. Back to that gray line. Back to the infamous line in the sand. Above is bullish. Below bearish is the daily opening print price. May all your granted be granted, sis. I love the energy work. Let's fucking go. Happiest of the days. NASDAQ looking like it wants to push up through this opening print price for the daily. That will give us an inverting candle. We're starting to doji down here. Closing through the 40s. Aiming. They might be trying it, buddy. They might be trying it now. Excuse me. Kind of kicking myself for doubting the buy down here. For doubting myself on the pullback to our long entry. And then the continuation actually plays through. Still finding some stickiness at these 40s. A little bit of stickiness going on there. The 5 minute needs to close above the 26. I like that. From there, Dave would be looking long. This was our indicator the whole morning, right, guys? Look at this opening. Look at this selling from opening, and then this ginormous volume candle to push us through the bottom of the 15-minute range. This is what gave me confidence to take any longs. And then once we found this one held, boom, came back to our price. Super unlucky, honestly. This one kind of teased me a little bit, but here come the NASDAQ. There's the 39s for the first time trading there. Congrats for the TPs, Satomi. I appreciate it, King. Thank you. We need one more. We need one more good one here. We need one more good one here to lock it in. And we're right back. Sellers defending the top. Oh my goodness. Sellers defending the opening print price all over again. Make sure you guys are careful. Close below on the 5. Ooh, aiming. Still not closing above it. Only wick. Ooh. Sellers showing their support all over again. Defending the 15-minute range. Defending this opening print candle. Defending these 40s. Are we going to find some deeper selling now? Crazy little reaction from the sellers. I think so. I might be willing to flip over to a short now, family. Depending on how this candle closes. If we close here below these 300s, I'm going to be looking bearish, I think. I don't love having to see these 280s break, though, because all morning they've been defended. Wax or grab, brother. About to get on the zone. Go ahead and do a little salad bowl. You know what I'm talking about? A little combination. A little bit of a little salad bowl. Enjoy that for me, work. LOL, my level. Damn, your level, Amin. Right off that line like a poof. Perfection. Precision at its finest. Back to these 80s, guys. I mean, look, I said it before. You might be able to find a long here and hold support. Price cannot push through. So hypothetically, we're stuck in a range. You could buy these again. It's a little too scary for me, but something you can definitely do. We're in bearish order flow on higher time frame. I agree, Noah. So does Amy. So does Dave. Haven't done that in a while, but I'll doing. Let's go, sir. Just a little bit. Don't gotta go crazy. You know what I'm saying? 17K morning for this guy. William! Congratulations. Fuck yeah, King. Great trading. Well deserved, man. Low externals might be in play. I just don't know, because of what I wanted was the hourly chart for us to hold these 300s and push higher. From there, we didn't get it, so I'm not sure now, Noah. You enter the 5 minis because in real, you are going 1 mini with each account, right? Yes, Satomi. So I have to have 5 because I'm copy trading on 5 accounts, so it's really just doing 1 per account. If I wanted to do 2 accounts or 2 contracts, it'd be 10, so on and so forth. Hit that big move before 9:30 on gold. Fucking awesome, William. Great trading, King. Deserve all the monies that are coming your way, sir. Guys, the market's been open for an hour. That's it. Only 1 hour. Make sure you're protecting yourselves, being calm, cautious. Look for good setups. Nothing to force here. The way I see it now is that if I wait for the 15-minute candle to close above the 345s for looking longs, or close under the 257s for looking shorts. I like the analysis, Amy. Y'all have that right there as well. Take that at your own discretion. Above these flat price is definitely going to be printing bullish. It's well above this line. Below bearish. We'll see what happens. It's awesome to do 1K with each one on just 1 mini. It is. It's pretty nice. The market's moving nice right now. Copy trading 4 or 5. Timothy, I had to do 4 because of that one account that was separated, the one that was at 5, but now it's put it back in. So my other 4 accounts were at 50,000 to start, or 50,100 to start. Made 1,500 on those, so now it's pretty much caught up to the 26 account I had. That's at 762, so it's $100 separate, but they're pretty much the same now. Pretty much the same now. So now we have our 5 going in. Look at the 30-minute. Below 295 would be bearish also. Yeah, but the longs, like I said, family, I said it twice now. This price continues to hold. You should be fairly safe to play the range and take a long. Play the range, take a long. It plays out all over again. I didn't have the testicles for it like I stated, but that's what's happening right now. I'll take the long and see how it goes. TLR took it. Hey, TLR took it at that bottom. Good trading, King. Way to recognize pattern, not be scared. Switch to Tradeify, not on Top Step anymore. TPT. Tradeify, King. Tradeify, I think, is way better than Project X. First of all, now that I've had some experience with it, I far prefer Project Tradeify. But I'm not trading with TPT, trading with Tradeify. And yeah, man. Recommend these select accounts. They're incredible. Daily payouts. Long from the 299. Good luck, y'all. Good luck, Sobs. Hope that plays out for you. Got to close above the 45s and you're looking strong. Got to find some longs there. Amy, what time frame are you watching for longs for shorts? We're in the daily range. Yep. Just chopping right now. In the dealing range. Yeah, just past combines off that long. Let's fucking go, T-Nads. Way to buy that bottom. I didn't have the testicles for it, but that's what the market's saying. Saying, hey, we're going to respect these two prices. Like, hypothetically, you could short up here as well. I don't know if I have the testicles for that either, but that's what the market's saying it wants. Yo, there's 31 incredible people hanging out. Thank you so much, family. If you haven't shown any love yet, hit the like button. It's the easiest way to support the stream if you find any value. And if you haven't joined this conversation, get up in this community. We're getting better, and bigger, stronger every day. Community's getting incredible. We're finding these levels. We're sharing our ideas. We're supporting each other. Right now, though, the range we're getting is insane. From the 30s, basically, to these 80s. So we're about a 50-point range back and forth. Bink, 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 bink. 50-point range back and forth right now. Mafia says, hi, bro. Please open GBP USD chart. GDP USD. Is that crypto? That's a fiat. It's a currency. I don't trade those, Mafia. Appreciate you for being here, though, King. Those Tradeify accounts look good, man. I'm telling you, William, they're amazing. You got a code? Yes, sir. Right here, baby. Trading for freedom. TFF. We're not doing it for ourselves. We're doing it for our families. We're doing it for freedom. TFF, trading for freedom. You can see it down here as well on the bottom of the screen. Yeah, man. I really recommend them. I've traded lots of props at this point. Apex, Tradeify, Top Step, MFF, Lucid. And by far, these select accounts, daily payouts are fucking unreal. Nothing like it right now. Out of everything in the prop space, they're providing a real opportunity for just easy, consistent payouts, daily payouts, easy profit target, 2,500 as well. So that's nice. I think we're going to go below 280. We at least hit 265. I draw Fibonacci on institutional levels, then I wait 15-minute candle close above my levels, then I switch to 1 minute for entry. If I enter aggressively, then I am entering the exact level. That's fire. That's really fire, Amy. Dave thinks we're going to go below the 85s. But right now, we've been holding at these 80s way too strong, so we'll see. I think we go below 280. We'll see. Please open the M6B chart. I want to see volume and new in futures. I'm new in futures. Well, welcome in, chat. Welcome in, King. Great spot to have you. What is it? The M6B? M6B? M6BH? Micro British Pound? I'll open this one up for you, King. What are we looking at? I don't even have the right period. Is that what you wanted to see? 1.33. Volume looks a little weak. This must not be what you wanted to see. Hope that helps, though, King. Here we go. Sellers right back at these 80s all over again. Are we finally going to get a sweep and push? Just being cautious right now. If we go below 280, should hit 265 or lower. I like it. That's that if-then statement, Dave. Very good. Fantastic analysis. If we do manage to have a closure below these 80s, I see what he's saying. We could easily see the 60s. We could see a lower day as well. But right now, still just stuck in this holding period. Not a lot going on. Am I lagging for you guys right now? Is it choppy? I feel like it's super choppy right now. I can't tell if it's my computer or what's going on. There's 28 people watching, though. I appreciate you guys for spending your morning with us. Thank you so much for being a part of this community. You're good, brother. You're good for me. Okay. My computer looks like I'm lagging, but I'm glad for y'all it's good. That's all that matters. Here come the 70s. Still trying to push through these 80s. Right now, not a lot going on, family. We had the opening print volume coming through, and then from there, we've been going sideways. Here come the 60s, Dave. Here come the 60s, Dave. Kind of tempted to take a long down here. Kind of tempted to try a long down here. Okay, I see it. I see it now, brother. There's 65 and boom. So my computer's lagging right now, right? I don't even know if a little bit, not much lag. A little though, not much lag. It's a little bit. Okay. It's scaring me because for my screen, I keep seeing my my thing be very laggy. There's 65 and boom. Good trading, Dave. We did play through exactly as you seen, King. Well, a little intimidated now because my shit is lagging and I feel like my chart is lagging too. I feel like it's kind of, I don't know. One question, my main problem is that I want to trade all days. How do you choose which day is right or not to trade? Whoa, sellers. Volume just came through, pushing us through low a day at these 235s. Let's keep an eye on it. Maybe we could find some continuation. We only need 20 points if we want to grab a piece of it. Satomi, it's a great question, man. I think I actually personally still struggle with that a little bit as well. I don't necessarily subscribe to like taking days off in that way. It's just the video. The audio is perfectly fine. Okay, so you guys are seeing the lag in my video, yeah. Satomi, I don't necessarily, holy shit. Here come the sellers though, guys. 1 second here while we try to capitalize on this opportunity. Here come the 201s. There comes the selling, Dave. Satomi, but yeah, I don't necessarily, I'm not great at that myself. I typically trade every day. I mean, yes, I'm streaming, so it's another reason why I'm coming on for you guys every single day. But yeah, I don't personally take many days away and like, oh, I don't like today's price action. It's just more like a mental thing. How do you feel? And if the markets are not behaving in terms of like you see some really whippy, shitty price action, oh my God, it's lagging so bad. I might have to end stream early, guys. Might have to take, oh, I hate it because I just wanted to get this last trade in. Oh, I'm lagging so bad on my visual. All right, let's just see here. Kind of nervous to take a trade because of it. Can't tell if it's my computer or the stream. It's just the video, so maybe it's just the stream. Don't ever trade OPEX. Would have saved me a lot of money if I followed that. It's good advice from Dave. All I'm saying, Ty, is I don't lie. No, you don't lie, King. Should have went short. Yeah, should have went short, Saz. Audio's good, though. What's OPEX? Sorry for the ignorance. Thanks, Ty. Of course, it told me. OPEX is opening... wait. I guess I don't know what OPEX is. Down into the 200s. Sellers finally getting their way. Sellers finally getting their way. If you have to get off though, Ty, go ahead and take the time, brother. No worries, King. It's not that. It's just fuck. Like, are you guys seeing the lag? And it said the audio is good, which is good, but I'm confused if it's. I don't think it's my charts. I think my charts are moving fairly normal. Just wanted to get another little trade in there. Sorry to disturb again. Please open the M6BC5 for 1 second. I got you, King. I got you. M6. What is it? BZ5. BZ5. Yes. Hope that helps, brother. Volume doesn't look crazy, but we're up and around the 1.3389 if this is accurate. Hope this helps, Mafia. All right. All right, all right, all right. Sellers right back to the 190s here. Oi, oi, oi. What do we get? What do we get? Oh, yeah, the witching hour. The witching hour. Oh, OPEX is like when they all... YouTube lag is 5 seconds on my end. That's not too bad that's actually not too bad. Dave's usually the one that's behind quite a bit. It's my screen. It's my camera maybe. I guess it could be my camera that's lagging out. It's been doing a lot of work. It streams for like an hour and a half every single day for the last year. So maybe my camera is breaking on me. How tragic would that be? For some reason, I feel like it's my computer though. I can't tell. Actually, let me just real quick go open my task manager. No, I mean everything's running decent. Must just be my camera. Weird. Must just be my camera, but that's fine. We need 40 points here, family. 20 minutes. Let's see if we can focus in here. We need 20 points. Yesterday's low at the 171 and then pivot at the 155. Yeah, I was seeing yesterday low also being a spot. But we front ran at the 183s right now, Dave. Maybe the camera is too hot. It could be. Like I said, it streamed for an hour and a half every day. Your camera heard you got 5K yesterday and said, bet, I need some of that. Trying to knock me down an inch, huh, newbie? Gosh. We didn't even make 5K yesterday. I only made $1,000 yesterday. You know? Didn't even make 5K yesterday. I made 5K the day before. $19 minutes left to stream. I appreciate you guys for being here. I'm sorry for the lag. I'm going to hope and pray that it's not my camera and that it just, I've never experienced this. I'm not sure what it could be, but the reason I thought we would drop below the 180s was because of the 30-minute support there. We broke those 80s pretty quick. Don't say it was 6 on the keyboard. Might get stick too, LOL. Don't say it. It was 6. The keyboard might get sick too, LOL. I love it, newbie. 280, yeah, Dave, I knew what you meant. We broke those 280s, and it's because of the 30-minute support there. I like that. 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts we took to try to break through that doji. None were found. Sellers taking their control. Now we're below, tapping into previous day low here. Let's see the reaction. I definitely feel like it's my fucking candlesticks moving, lagging too, though. That's the thing. It feels like these are lagging, and I can't tell because it always moves weird. W stream, I appreciate it, work. WU King. It just feels weird down here, like it's maybe my computer. I don't know. Crazy selling though. Crazy selling down into the previous day low here, family. Taking that out as well. See what happens here. See what type of trouble, love we can find. That's your subconscious trying to tell you just to take the 2,500. It's still good money. Oh no, newbie, don't do me like that. Don't talk to my greed like that, because you're right. It's fantastic money. I should be satisfied with it. Call it a day. Get these accounts back to their threshold. Take the payout, but fuck. We're so close. We're so close to being the Valhalla. And I guess all I had to do was just find a short and we could be getting paid right now. Wow, just reaching lower into the 140s. NASDAQ reaching lower. Pretty interesting price action today, family. Check it out. Big selling, consolidating at our lows. What's our rule? We typically break out the way we broke in. Broke in through some selling, consolidated, broke out the same way. And now we're just finding some deeper moves into the 130s. Wow. I mean, wow. I guess the 25,000s could be the target. Take a quick look at this hourly chart a little bit more realistically. Are there any spots other than this next low? No. I feel like we're going to go hunt that low at the 125,000s. Nothing else really down there except for that. I think I'm going to short first EMA touch. 25,070 is weekly low. Yeah, that's what I think we're going to go see. I like that. His previous spot over here, which is, yeah, the 075s. Do we just completely auction directly there, though? I mean, my word. You'd expect a little bit of a relief bounce into the EMA or something. But no. No. Brother, please suggest my scalping strategy works on GPD, USD, Euro, Forex, but now I'm going for futures Apex. How can I trade GPD or Euro and gold? I don't know, Mafia. We're futures traders here, King, not crypto, but if you want to trade Forex, I'm not exactly sure what prop firms offer that the best, but if you want to trade futures, that's what we're doing here. Tradeify and MFF, and if you're experienced, you can trade with Apex. After this steep sell-off, next EMA touch doesn't typically fire. It's a good point, Timothy. After this steep of a sell-off, next EMA touch won't be as safe. I like that. Well, that's shitty then, because I basically have to just buy this fucking bottom. It's annoying. Here's the 090s, front running the 75s there. Big selling volume, one of our biggest of the day, but still not getting through to the levels. Gold is GC1. Damn it, I should have traded. No. Now the range is coming. Now he's like, I should have been in there. I should have been a part of that. Go ahead and let me be a part of that. Damn, let me be a part of that. Oh, and futures is the best is equities and gold maximum. It feels like we have to go get that weekly low now, huh? It's terrifying. Terrifying price action. Once they broke through, it was just one-sided. Once they broke through, it was just one-sided. We got 15 minutes left here, family. We need 20 points. Oi. Fuck. I cannot. I do not. I will not. No. Here come the 130s. Small little relief bounce. I feel like we should be okay to try to short this. It just feels awful. Tim said an EMA pullback isn't super in our favor at this point. And I hate that because he's not wrong. And see the reaction here at these 150s. I kind of want a 150 off to the 130. Bouncing from the 110, let's go. Good luck, Corey. Then looking for a short at the 170s, the 180s. I don't know where I want to get in here. I'm getting past my wheelhouse. I don't know what I want to see. You know what I mean? YOLOing this Top Step account, don't care. Tradeify incoming. Tradeify incoming. Come on, Sobs. Come over to the good side. And hopefully you smash that trade and hit a fat payout with them before you go. Man, I kind of want this fucking... If that hits the 30, that would have been our... that would have been what we needed there. Oh my god, being teased. EMA would have... Looks like it might have held. There, it would have held. Fuck. Timothy, you scared me out of that, buddy. So overall, you pass the accounts, create the buffer of 2K, and then you're free to go with 1K payouts daily. That's crazy. That's it, Satomi. It is crazy, man. Really good accounts. Timothy, costing me that. Gosh, bud. I wanted that one. Never know, though. You're right. It definitely could have played through. Fuck. Well, I don't know, guys. I feel like at this point I'm just going to be forcing something. Yeah, I mean, after a 240-point rip, shorting that is just never a good entry. It's not the safest. Although, first EMA touch after a sell-off usually is pretty safe. Like, we haven't had any contact with it. It's not easy. You only have 1K daily drawdown until you get to 3K. Yeah, there's a daily $1,000 drawdown, but did go through the EMA by 20 points. No, I didn't. I would have got in at the 50s, dude. Contact point of the EMA was 50. We went up to the 60s. That would have been 10 points. 10 points of drawdown. Once you get to the 3K, the daily drawdown is gone. No, I don't think so, Satomi. I think there's still a $1,000 drawdown. I think Dave said something like above 3, maybe it goes to 2K though. I'm not sure. And there come the sellers again. Into the 90s. Looking to see them take out the 70s here. This would be weekly low. The 075s-ish. It looks like you would have gotten a better entry because of the pull through, but on the way up, you would have had to get in at 40, 45. Yeah, I would have probably put my order at the 50s, but I definitely would have taken some drawdown. Doesn't matter. Didn't take the trade. No big deal. You were trying to protect. I get it. It was a risky trade. Sellers, though, here comes weekly low. And that's what I was kind of expecting. Decent selling volume to push us through the daily low, the weekly low there. Fuck. Def wasn't seeing another 100-point rip, but laughed my ass off. That just never happens lately. That's great. The 4%. What does it go on the 100K? 4% as well. I'm about to pass tomorrow my Tradeify. Wait, we're talking about 4%. Message Tradeify in Discord. They will reply. I don't know, honestly. So tell me at 3K it's 4%, which is 2K. You mean at the 50K account? Okay, I've called things 3 times in a row, bro. I'm about to just start taking the risk. That's what you got to do, Noah. Good trading, King. At some point, that's what you got to do, brother. I mean, now we're at a really tricky spot. Like, I probably can't take any more trades. At this point, I think I'm just chasing. I should have taken that EMA short. That was my only other, like, decent opportunity. Other than that, we swept through weekly lows. A lot of the price has been, you know, a lot of these liquidity has been taken. From here, we just, in my opinion, just could chop, could range. Nothing really is going to make a lot of sense. Fuck, I don't know. Dang it. Dang it, 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 dang it. This is the EMA touch, Tim, that I would less likely. If we touch this EMA here, I would expect we could actually push through it. W day ties, and everyone make sure y'all get some sun and stay safe out there. Love the energy work. Absolutely. Excuse me. Nope. Sellers still showing their face. 25,000. Is that where we're heading? I mean, we are now officially into the no man land down here at the 40s, the 50s. Is this just one of those days? NASDAQ down 1%. Time to get my air pump out for my pump it up strategy. Sun ain't hitting NorCal. I'm about 3 weeks due to fog. Laugh my ass off. No way. Diego, that's gross. 3 weeks of fog, stopping some sunshine. Ugh. Depressing shit for sure, King. Gross. Nasty. We do not like that. All right, family. Fuck me. What am I doing here? Full disclosure, everyone. I called out shorts below 280, but didn't take it. Don't FOMO. Never FOMO. You did call that level, Dave. Yo, there's 20 incredible people hanging out, fam. If we haven't shown any love to the like button, easiest way to support the stream. If you're not in this conversation, you're doing yourself a big disservice. This community is getting better and stronger every day. Make sure you're becoming a part of it. I think we're going to have to call it here. I needed 40 points or 20 points, $400 for a max payout on all accounts, but I don't know. I hesitated on my last entry, and now I just feel like nothing is super safe. We kind of took a lot of liquidity out. We're auctioning down near the low a day. It's kind of a tough spot to find a spot. Dave, I shorted 305, expecting 248 to break, and I pussied out myself with a 10-point profit. LOL, that's painful, Diego. Top Step is now saying they are not responsible for anything that happens with their platform. No, they're cooked. That's the dumbest shit ever. Appreciate the insight, newbie. Jerson Hernandez says you got it tomorrow. It's good energy, good mindset. I appreciate it. They're not making this right. Only opening close accounts for a limited window. The issue was the 30 minutes had to take its time, so we were chopping. Good you took profit and didn't get stressed in the chop. For sure, take that profit, Diego. Guys, we're still auctioning below this EMA, and it feels like sellers are still in control here. What do y'all think? Fuck, I'm so kicking myself. Which is stupid. I hate it. I hate the way that trading can affect your mindset. I traded so good today, but because I didn't take that last opportunity and maximize the full payout, I'm like, just not upset, just not satisfied. You know what I mean? I'm not fully satisfied. I don't know. At this point, all liquidity swept for real. That's what I'm saying. We could reverse now to EQ. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. To equilibrium. I mean, at this point, we just swept the liquidity. Like, there's no clear targets. 25,000 whole number feels like a pretty big one we could be looking for, but I don't know. Could be there, but I don't know. Someone say reverse, 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 reverse. Trying, Sobs. I want to see this thing reverse, reverse. Do I just shorten the hole down here? Do I just shorten the hole down here? Yo, King, good to be back. Was sick with the flu. Happy to have you back, Joel. Sorry about the sickness, King. Hope you're feeling better. Shorting the hole feels so dumb and dangerous down here. Stuck below the EMA, consolidated, broke through the bear flag, found some selling. Now we're down towards the 34s. I don't even know. Ty, short this so I can go long, please, King. Exactly, Diego. Either my account gets closed or this comes back. No other choice for me. Top Step did. They pushed me to the edge. Top Step did it, subs. They better either pay you or make it right. They better let that take. They reverse from here all the way to full TP, or they're gonna lose a stellar gentleman. Longs just feel like suicide, but they want it. They want it. It just feels pretty fucking bad. What do we do? I feel like I'm being an idiot right now. I want to see some explosion, some volatility before I take a chance. Even though each candle is 20 points. I mean, that's a 20-point candle right there. It's hilarious. Longs are the smartest thing here. Yes, but no. 25,000 whole number below feels like a magnet. And sellers have been just beating the face off these buyers all day. Great to see you make it back from yesterday. Let's comp another 5K today. I know, Joel, we're so close. We were so close there. Just hesitated. Now I'm fucking sitting here, and I wanted to short these 70s, but I hesitated again. Fuck! Tyler, don't trade here. Just scalp that long for the Apex accounts. Bold, man. That's a bold long. It's a bold long. I love that, Tim. Good trading, King. Tyler, don't trade here. Dave's telling me that. Guys, I wanted to short these 70s, and I was really, really close to hitting the button, and then I didn't. So that's twice away. I didn't. It's FOMO at this point. Big move is done. Tomorrow, another day to profit. I'm walking away with 1.2K, and it's what it is. More days to come. It is FOMO. Diego's 100% right. I just wanted it. I had expectations of what today could have been. So, right off the Doge from the 51. Yeah, it's a clean Doge. It really is. Sellers feel like they're just in control here. Whoa, what happened? Just came in, LOL. I know, I mean, the sellers found their way. $2,500, newbie, you're the queen. 51 is trying to become a support, it looks like. I'm long again, but only above the 90 EMA. Stops low a day. Last trade for me. Good luck, Corey. I'll see it play out for you, brother. They do look like they want to hold. If we can push above the 70s, but the 70s are being a pretty big line in the sand. Crazy reaction from the sellers. Push us right back in the zone. Crazy reaction from the sellers, pushing this right back in the zone. $51 breaks down, we go to $9.91, but I'm not saying I'm going to trade it. I like that, Dave. Here come the longs, trying to push this volume. Let's see where they get to. Let's see where the longs can take this volume to. Still finding some suppression. Definitely some support at 04 and 14. I know, and then 25,000 below it, right below that, Dave, makes it look like a pretty sexy target. Those are daily support. Definitely some support. 914s and the 20. Yeah. Here come the longs. Trying it. Here come the hundreds. Taking an attempt here, family. Taking an attempt here. Sell 5 stop. No, sell, wait, buy 5 limit. Beautiful little move. Find the reaction off these hundreds for us. Gonna put our stop loss in. Couldn't get it in. Hate where we're dojing. Looking for a little rotation.
Order filled.
Let's fucking go! Canceling everything. Turning trade mode off. Let's fucking go! Beautiful. It's lagging, so y'all can't be in this dance party with me, but we smash. Let's go, Corey. Big Blacks, no wicks. Let's go. Work, Corey, William, Jay. Love the energy, family. Let's fucking crush. Woo! Another max payout rolling our way, family. Locked out. Trade mode's off. Y'all see it? Nah, I love the spam work. Good energy, King. Okay, Tyler, now that you're not working anymore or trading anymore today, will you please zoom in more on Tradeify? Turn your mic up higher. Yeah, I can try, Dave. And then zoom in more on Tradeify. Which one, King? That's pretty zoomed in, no? Yo, newbie, I love the energy. Thank you, Queen. Let's go, Joel. We locked out another payout, Max. Main screen, this one here. This is pretty zoomed in, though, King. I know, but for me, truly, I like to just get a different range. God, that was a scary little move there. Super happy with it, though. W, Diego. Let's leave some for us, bro. Let's go, Joel. Another 5K. Yeah, congrats. Let's go, Satomi. Appreciate y'all for being here, you cheeky bastard. That was a scary one. We got out of there, Diego, with our hair. Grinding until you made it. 5K payout, you deserve it. You deserve it too, Dave. Let's fucking go. We keep showing up every day, family, and eventually good things happen for you. I promise. Just keep showing up. Have a good mindset. Put the effort in, and the good things will play out for you. I mean, still need 700 on that 5th account. No, I don't, Tim. 26, buddy. This one's at max payout. They're all at max payout. $60 shy, technically, but nah, they're all there, brother. All the accounts are at 53,000 in value. So we can take 1,000 out of each. 10K in 2 days. Let's go, work. Technically 11 because we the one we made yesterday. 10K in a matter of 2 weeks max. That shit really about mental strength. Your time will come. Keep grinding. Keep pushing. Let's fucking go. I love the energy. Yo, if y'all haven't shown any love yet, family, hit the like button. Easiest way to support the stream. We had a banger of a day. I mean, we just made fucking $8,400 today to have a max payout. It feels amazing. Your time's coming. Keep showing up. This community is going to be on our way. 2026. I'm getting out of here, though. I'm well over my time. Thanks for stopping in, spending your morning. You guys are the fucking best. You make the community feel just so special. So thanks for being here. Thanks for being a part of it. King Noah, Work, Mad Max, Timothy, Diego, Satomi, Diego, Dave, Crypto, Jerson, Corey, William. I appreciate you guys. Take it easy. See y'all tomorrow. The fun can continue. Drink some sun, get some water, hug somebody you love, and the fun continues tomorrow. Take it easy, family. Peace.